Retail Fast Track, Week 3, Lesson 6. A compelling sales pitch can make all the difference in capturing the interest of potential buyers and securing partnerships. By understanding your audience, highlighting the unique value of your product, and mastering effective communication techniques, you'll be able to craft a pitch that resonates with buyers and leaves a lasting impression. Before crafting your sales pitch, it's crucial to understand the buyers you'll be presenting to. Consider the following strategies. Research. Conduct thorough research on the buyer's company, industry, and target market. Understand their specific needs, pain points, and preferences to tailor your pitch accordingly. Buyer personas. Develop buyer personas that represent your target audience. Consider their demographics, interests, challenges, and motivations. This understanding will help you speak directly to their needs and desires. To captivate buyers, it's essential to clearly communicate the unique value proposition of your product. Identify the key benefits. Identify the primary benefits your product offers and how they address the buyer's pain points or improve their business. Focus on the outcomes and positive impact your product can bring. Differentiation. Highlight what sets your product apart from competitors. Emphasize unique features, superior quality, cost-effectiveness, innovation, or any other factors that make your product stand out. Crafting a well-structured and engaging sales pitch is vital for keeping your audience hooked. Consider the following techniques. Start with a powerful opening that captures attention and establishes a connection with the buyer. Clearly state the purpose of your pitch and why it's relevant to them. Storytelling. Use storytelling techniques to engage your audience and make an emotional connection. Share anecdotes, testimonials, or case studies that demonstrate the real-life impact of your product. Clear and concise messaging. Keep your pitch clear, concise, and focused. Avoid jargon or technical language that may confuse or overwhelm the buyer. Clearly articulate the benefits and value your product brings. Visual aids. Utilize visual aids such as slides, product samples, or demos to enhance your pitch. Visuals can effectively convey information and make your presentation more engaging and memorable. Anticipate potential objections or concerns buyers may have and be prepared to address them. Consider the following strategies. Preemptive responses. Proactively address common objections by providing well-thought-out responses. Explain how your product resolves potential challenges or provides a superior solution. Social proof. Include testimonials, customer success stories, or case studies to provide evidence of your product's effectiveness. Demonstrating real-world results builds credibility and trust. No sales pitch is perfect from the start. Practice and refine your pitch to ensure it's polished and impactful. Consider the following tips. Rehearse. Practice your pitch multiple times to become familiar with the content and flow. Pay attention to your delivery, body language, and timing. Seek feedback. Present your pitch to colleagues, mentors, or trusted individuals for feedback. Their insights can help you fine-tune your presentation and address any weak points. Continuous improvement. Regularly evaluate and refine your sales pitch based on feedback and the results you achieve. Be open to learning, adapting, and evolving your approach. Remember, a well-crafted pitch can make all the difference, so invest the time and effort needed to perfect your sales presentation.